Most people don't dream about owning these cars. Nobody puts a poster of a Toyota Avalon on their bedroom wall. Nobody hears the word Corolla and says, "Wow, that's exciting." And let's be honest, a beige Camry in a grocery store parking lot is not exactly turning heads. But here's the funny part. While flashy SUVs are sitting at repair shops, while luxury cars are draining bank accounts, and while people are making huge monthly payments just to look successful, these boring cars are still driving. No drama. No expensive surprises. No check engine light every other week. Just key in, engine on, and go. And that is why today, we're counting down the boring cars that never die. The cheap, reliable, almost bulletproof used cars Americans should seriously consider before buying something newer, flashier, and much more expensive. Because sometimes, the smartest car in the parking lot is the one nobody notices. Number 7, Toyota Avalon. Let's start with a car that might be the definition of boring reliability. Number 7, the Toyota Avalon. At first glance, the Avalon looks like something your retired neighbor would drive to the pharmacy. It's big, soft, quiet, and absolutely not trying to be cool. But that is exactly why it works. The Avalon is basically a more comfortable, more relaxed version of the Toyota Camry formula. You get a smooth V6 engine, a roomy interior, a large trunk, and the kind of simple ownership experience that makes mechanics smile. It does not try to be a sports sedan. It does not try to be a luxury German car. It just does one thing very well. It lasts. And in the used car market, that matters more than most people realize. A used Avalon can often give you the comfort of a luxury car without the repair bills of a luxury car. That is the secret. It feels mature, maybe even boring, but when you are driving past 180,000 miles while someone else is pricing a transmission repair, boring starts to look pretty smart. Number 6, Honda Accord. Next, at number 6, we have the Honda Accord. The Accord is one of those cars that never really goes out of style because it was never built around trends in the first place. It was built around common sense. Good space. Good fuel economy. Good engines. Good visibility. And a driving feel that is just interesting enough to keep you awake, but not complicated enough to punish your wallet. For decades, the Accord has been the car people buy when they want one vehicle to do almost everything. Commute to work. Take the kids to school. Handle highway trips. Survive bad weather. And keep going after the odometer starts showing numbers that scare other cars. But here is the expert tip. If you are shopping used, condition matters more than reputation. A well-maintained Accord is a great car. A neglected Accord with missed oil changes, bad tires, and a rough transmission is still a problem. Reliable does not mean magical. It means the car gives you a better chance if the previous owner did their job. Number 5, Toyota Camry. Now let's talk about number 5, the most famous boring car in America. The Toyota Camry. The Camry is not exciting. That is not an insult. That is the business model. The Camry became popular because normal people needed a car that could survive normal life. Traffic, long commutes, cold mornings, hot summers, family abuse, parking lot scratches, cheap gas station coffee spilled in the cup holder. The Camry has seen it all. And it usually just keeps going. What makes the Camry so powerful as a used car choice is that it is everywhere. Parts are easy to find. Mechanics know how to work on it. There is a huge ownership history. And because so many were sold, buyers usually have options. You don't have to chase one overpriced example. You can compare mileage, maintenance records, accident history, and price. That is exactly what you want when buying used. Not rare. Not exotic. Not complicated. Common, proven, and easy to service. That is the Camry advantage. Number 4, Toyota Corolla. Now, at number 4, if the Camry is the safe family choice, the Toyota Corolla is the small car that refuses to quit. The Corolla is not fast. It is not luxurious. It will not make your neighbors jealous. But it might make your bank account very happy. This is the kind of car that makes sense for students, first-time buyers, delivery drivers, commuters, and anyone who simply needs reliable transportation without turning car ownership into a financial trap. The Corolla's biggest strength is simplicity. Small engine, simple layout, good fuel economy, low running costs. And because millions of people have owned them, repairs are usually familiar and manageable. But the Corolla also has one hidden advantage. It teaches you that a car does not need to impress strangers to improve your life. If it starts every morning, uses little fuel, needs basic maintenance, and avoids giant repair bills, that is not boring. That is freedom. Number 3, Honda Civic. Now let's bring in number 3, the Corolla's biggest rival, the Honda Civic. The Civic is the boring car with a little more attitude. It is still practical, still efficient, still reliable when properly maintained. But compared to a Corolla, it usually feels a bit sharper, a bit more fun, a bit more youthful. That is why the Civic has such a huge fan base. You can find basic commuter Civics that are perfect for saving money. You can find sportier trims for people who want something more engaging. And you can find older Civics still running around with mileage that would scare buyers away from many other brands. But there is one warning. Because Civics are popular with younger drivers and modifiers, you must inspect them carefully. Avoid abused cars. Avoid heavily modified cars. Avoid anything with cheap parts, loud exhausts, bad repairs, or signs of street racing. The best used Civic is not the flashiest Civic. It is the cleanest one. Stock, maintained, and boring. That is the one you want. Number 2, Toyota Prius. Next, at number 2, we have the Toyota Prius. And yes, people make jokes about the Prius. They say it is slow. They say it looks weird. They say it has no personality. But while they are laughing, Prius owners are passing gas stations. The Prius is one of the most misunderstood used cars in America. It is not just about fuel economy. It is about total cost of ownership. Good fuel mileage, strong reliability, practical hatchback space, and a hybrid system that has proven itself in real-world taxi, rideshare, and commuter use. A good Prius is not exciting in the traditional sense. But it becomes exciting when gas prices rise. It becomes exciting when you realize how much money you are not spending. It becomes exciting when your friend with a big SUV is complaining about fuel costs and you are barely thinking about them. Of course, with a used Prius, you must check the hybrid battery health, maintenance records, and overall condition. But do not dismiss it just because it looks boring. For many Americans, the Prius is one of the smartest used cars ever built. Number 1, Lexus ES. And now, at number 1, let's talk about the car for people who want boring reliability but refuse to feel cheap. The Lexus ES. The Lexus ES is one of the best used luxury values because it gives you comfort, quietness, and a premium badge without the nightmare reputation of many high-mileage luxury cars. In simple terms, the ES is the car for someone who wants Camry-like common sense with a nicer interior and a smoother ride. It is not a sports car. It is not trying to impress car enthusiasts. It is trying to make every drive calm, quiet, and easy. And that is exactly why people keep them for a long time. The ES proves something important. Luxury does not have to mean complicated. Some luxury cars feel amazing for 3 years and terrifying after the warranty ends. The Lexus ES is different. It is the kind of luxury car that makes sense after the first owner has already taken the depreciation hit. But again, do not buy blindly. Check service history. Check for oil leaks. Check suspension wear. Check accident history. A reliable badge does not erase a bad previous owner. Now here is the part most buyers get wrong. They think reliability is about the logo. Toyota good, Honda good, Lexus good. And yes, those brands have strong reputations. But the real secret is not just the badge. The real secret is boring engineering plus boring maintenance. Oil changes on time. Transmission fluid serviced when needed. Good tires. Good brakes. No overheating. No ignored warning lights. No cheap repairs after an accident. A boring car can still become a bad car if someone neglects it. So when you are shopping, do not just ask, is this model reliable? Ask, was this specific car treated well? Because the best car on paper can be ruined by the worst owner in real life. So what is the final ranking? At number 7, if you want maximum comfort for the money, look at the Toyota Avalon. At number 6, if you want a practical car with a little more driving personality, look at the Honda Accord. At number 5, if you want the safest all-around sedan choice, look at the Toyota Camry. At number 4, if you want cheap, simple transportation, look at the Toyota Corolla. At number 3, if you want small, reliable, and a little fun, look at the Honda Civic. At number 2, if you want efficiency and low fuel costs, look at the Toyota Prius. And at number 1, if you want affordable used luxury that still makes financial sense, look at the Lexus ES. None of these cars are exciting at first glance. But that is the point. They do not need to impress you on day 1. They impress you 5 years later, when they still start every morning, when the repair bills stay reasonable, when the car payment is gone, when your insurance is manageable, when you realize you bought transportation instead of buying stress. So before you spend too much money on a flashy SUV, a high-mileage German luxury car, or a new car with a giant monthly payment, take a second look at the boring cars. Because sometimes, boring is not the opposite of cool. Sometimes, boring is the reason you still have money. And in today's car market, that might be the coolest thing of all.